Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Postmates API deprecation alternatives for POS, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Postmates API deprecation alternatives for your POS system, first, identify the specific alternatives you want to explore. Next, review the documentation provided by each alternative to familiarize yourself with their authentication methods. Create an account with the chosen service provider to obtain necessary credentials. Once your account is set up, navigate to the API settings section to generate your API key or access token. Remember to securely store your API credentials, as they will be required for authentication in your POS system. Now, access your POS system's integration settings for API connections. Enter the API key or access token in the designated field within your POS system. If the integration requires additional parameters, ensure you enter them accurately according to the provider's specifications. After entering the credentials, save your settings to apply the changes. Next, test the integration by initiating a request to the API using your POS system. Monitor the response to ensure authentication is successful. If issues arise, double-check your credentials and consult the error messages for guidance. Additionally, refer back to the provider's documentation for troubleshooting tips. Once authenticated, familiarize yourself with the API endpoints available for further functionality. Regularly check for updates from the service provider to stay informed about any changes in authentication procedures. Finally, maintain documentation of your integration process for future reference and team training. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.